A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. Now today we are going to write few words of I sounds that we have learned before. So we are going to do them all together. Alright. So just get ready with your copy, pencil and eraser. Here we go. The first is ig sound words. IG is ig sound words. The first word that we are going to write down is B I G. Big. Then we are going to write D I G. Dig. And then we are going to write P I G. Pig. So we have done 8 sound words: big, dig and pig. Now in sound words. Okay. So we are going to write the first word of in sound is T I N. Tin. T I N. Tin. Our next word is win. W I N. Win. And now then we are going to write pink. P I N K. Pink. Okay. Now it words. So we are going to write the first word H I T. Hit. H I T. Hit. Then we are going to write S I T. Sit. Then F I T. Fit. Okay. Now IP words. IP means IP words. Now we are going to write down the first word L I P. Lip. Okay. Then D I P. Dip. Then S I P. Sip. Okay. Now X word. So we are going to write first is F I X. Fix. Then M I X. Mix. And last S I X. 6. So we have done all the I sound words. Now quickly we are going to revise it. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. P-I-G, pig. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. P-I-N-K, pink. H-I-T, hit. S-I-T, sit. F-I-T, fit. L-I-P, lip. D-I-P, dip. S-I-P, sip. F-I-X, fix. M-I-X, mix. S-I-X, six. So we have done all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I sound words, that is ik sound words, in sound words, it sound words, ip sound words and ik sound words. You have to do it in your copy. Learn the spelling and learn the words as well, alright? Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.